Hi, hello, kumusta? It's another video by Christina. Today is April 6. Hindi ako nakapag-weather update kagabi or yesterday. Nakalimutan ko or wala ako sa mood. Weather update. It's currently 16 degrees here sa Seoul. Malamig pa din. So what I'm wearing today is this jacket. Parang medyo pagka-furry na jacket. It's from Taiwan. It's actually my sister's. And this denim jacket again from Uniqlo. And then jeans lang. Hindi na ako naglagay ng thermal or heat tech. Hopefully kayanin ko. Kasi tuwing gabi, mas lumalamig talaga dito. Yesterday, yung weather nung morning around 6 to 8 degrees Celsius. During afternoon, mga between 10 to 14 degrees. Yung gabi, 6 to 8 degrees siya. Abot yung temperature today around 18 degrees Celsius. Yun yung medyo kaya-kaya ko. Yun lang.